We thank the Commissioner General of UNRWA for his briefing. Pakistan deeply commends the indispensable role of the United Nations Relief and Works Agency for Palestine refugees in the Near East. We pay tribute to the leadership and the heroic staff of UNRWA who continue to deliver life-saving humanitarian assistance under unimaginably difficult and dangerous conditions. Hundreds of these brave women and men have laid down their lives in the line of duty. For more than 7 decades, UNRWA has been far more than a humanitarian agency. It has been the very lifeline of millions of Palestine refugees scattered across Gaza, the West Bank, Jordan, Lebanon, and Syria. It has provided education to generations of children, healthcare to the sick, emergency relief to the displaced, and above all, a sense of dignity and belonging to those deprived of their homeland. The agency's work has not only served the refugees, it has also helped preserve regional stability by averting humanitarian collapse. UNRWA is a beacon of hope and the platform for many to achieve their dreams, and it should remain that way. However, today this vital institution is under the gravest assault in its history. Its mandate questioned, its staff vilified, its facilities attacked, and its very existence threatened. These are not isolated developments. They are part of a broader strategy to erase the identity of the Palestinian people, to deny them the much-needed humanitarian aid, to extinguish their aspirations for statehood and self-determination. By undermining this agency, Israel seeks to remove the last remaining structure that sustains Palestinian refugees. The legislation passed by Israel seeking to ban UNRWA's operations, revoke its immunities, and even designate it a terrorist organization is a travesty of international law, a violation of the UN Charter, and an affront to this Assembly, which created UNRWA through Resolution 3024 of 1949. We reject these actions in the strongest terms. They have no legal validity. No member state has the authority to dissolve or dismantle a UN agency established by this body. As reaffirmed recently by the ICJ in its advisory opinion, Israel is under obligation to facilitate relief provided by the UN and its entities, particularly UNRWA. Mr. Chairman, Pakistan stands in resolute solidarity with the Palestinian people and with UNRWA. Our commitment is clear and unwavering. We reaffirm the inalienable right of the Palestinian people to self-determination and statehood, and we reaffirm our full support to UNRWA's humanitarian mandate until a just and lasting political settlement of the question of Palestine is achieved. At this critical juncture, Pakistan believes the international community must ensure that UNRWA is protected and enabled to discharge its mandate without hindrance. Attempts to delegitimize, defund, or dismantle the agency must cease. National legislation cannot override international law, nor can it extinguish the responsibilities entrusted by this Assembly. Moreover, the chronic underfunding of UNRWA must also be addressed. The agency cannot function on precarious pledges and temporary stopgap measures. Sustained political, financial, and operational support is essential. The humanitarian needs of Palestinian refugees cannot be mortgaged to political expedience or partisan considerations. The world must not fail these refugees once again. Mr. Chair, after more than 2 years of war and destruction, a sense of hope has emerged with the 20-point peace plan and the signing of the agreement at the Sharm el-Sheikh Peace Summit. Pakistan welcomes the peace efforts led by President Trump and commends the crucial role played by the mediators, Egypt, Qatar, Turkey, and the United States, in facilitating the negotiations. We sincerely hope these efforts will yield sustainable results, including a permanent cessation of hostilities and a just, comprehensive, and lasting peace. We sincerely expect that these peace efforts would lead to a credible, time-bound political process consistent with international legitimacy and relevant UN resolutions to establish an independent, sovereign, and contiguous state of Palestine based on pre-1967 borders with Al-Quds al-Sharif as its capital. Pakistan stands with the Palestinian people in their quest to exercise their inalienable right to self-determination and in their just demand for peace and justice. I thank you.